ready.
I ain't nothing. I'm ready. We all ready. Dot. Jedi.
Yeah. My nigga JD's said it best, man. We Pistol City bosses, man. We on that boss nigga shit like every day. Wink. JD's X. It's Pistol City Productions. Yeah. And when I step up in the building, it's like time stops. Somebody push the play button. This happens every day in my life, man, it's nothing. That sign is when you're stunting. She said she never seen a motherfucker like this before. Never seen a big face on the wrist before. I'm doing this shit to the fullest extent of the level. On top, so there is none better. I does whatever, and these pussy niggas can't stop it. Call shots like 8 ball, side pocket, or better yet, like horse the game. One bounce off the glass, I'm killing you lames. It's 8 Dot the General. 5-star boss status. Pistol City CEO, baby, I got this. G shit, let's get it clear. Fly in the pilot, co-pilot, and the engineer. Yeah. And you never see the boss nigga. And they never see the boss nigga. Because I do it. I do it. When I do it. So now you see what it means to be your boss, cause I do it. Everything's clear, money don't talk cause it's sitting right here. Never will I feel, what you see, not what you hear. Big guns cause I'm cautious, I lost best friends, but they ain't lose me. Life ain't easy, it's greasy, I'm like fuck the world, y'all need me. It's like 3D, so clear to see. The pussy be calling me. I'm getting head while I'm falling asleep. Backwoods fat, looking like a freak. Fuck the hater and the police. I'm still touching my heat. Man, the heat gon' speak. I'm still in the hood, Southside where you at. Big 40 in my life. So you never seen a boss nigga. So you never seen a boss nigga. But now they see I do it. Yeah, I do it. Yeah, Backwood road boss nigga call shots. Blowing smoke out the nose while I close shop. Thinking about the winter's pounds in for December. But getting money with leak is all I remember. So when I make moves, scrap with the tune, it ain't being a fool, it's just playing it cool. And you know every boss move made to keep that 9 stuck to the side, like a fucking pager. Ring, ring, who that calling? Ignoring that call, I'm in the morning, I'm balling. Now that's a boss move, so get lost, dude. One call, get you going like it's lost you. El Capital, yeah, I'm on top of things. Got the attendants, yeah, but your brain. El Capital, yeah, I'm on top of things. You got the attendants, yeah, but your brain. Because I do it. We're just talking, baby. Hey, that. X. Hey, that easy. We got him, nigga. What you say, bro? What you say? Selling drugs, mega plug, showing up at the club with hella thugs, towing pistols equipped with 2-inch and better slugs. You ain't got no matter, cuz you better dub. See, truthfully, I don't really give a fuck. You get out of line, I'ma hit you up. At the same time, I'ma knock it down. Yeah, I grew up in the circus, but I'm no fucking clown. That's me up there walking on that tightrope under surveillance of a whole bunch of white folks. They wanna lock me up, haters wanna murder acts. So I'm at everybody's throat like a turtleneck. Me losing, I never heard of that. Call it loss of her, only God I'm firm. This big ass burner in this car out I'm wearing. Turn niggas who swear they go so fucking hard to churn. Shit. Huh? Because I do it. Never seen a boss nigga. Because I do it. Yeah, I do it. Nothing. Do it, nigga. We do it in here. Yo, Winky, do it. Jet Easy, do it. Ain't like he do it. Nothing. You know what I'm saying? That's how we do it, man.
Take your tight jeans off, nigga, hang them in your closet, nigga.
Take the tight jeans off and the onesies. Y'all niggas wearing the shit that
shit, man.
The niggas wearing the shit that's not between the legs.
What?
Y'all babies and shit, man. onesies, whatever the fuck they is. Take them shits off, you tight shirt wearing motherfucker. Nigga shirt be looking like they snap right there between the legs.
I ain't never seen a bunch of big grown ass men hopping around dancing and shit.
Hey, look, I got something on my mind right quick. Free Taliban.
No
Free
question.
Taliban.
I'ma just shoot something out there, man. Just let these niggas know.
Free police.
Ain't nothing to stop. I'm a G, and G's don't play. Nah, I ain't gonna give it y'all. I'm gonna give it y'all for real.
I did.
I'm a G, and G's don't play. Hell no, it ain't over. What else you want me to say? My homie died, and you think I'm okay? It's almost been a year, still I drop a couple tears, cause life ain't simple. That night, I had my gun to my temple. Pulled the fucking trigger too. Guess it's my time, fool. I ain't done. Look. I went to court, dog, just to see my fam, and what do you know? John Craig took the stand. A pussy, supposed to be on this 5-star shit. Guess that's the real meaning of a 5-star bitch. Matthew Freeman is a motherfucking snitch, and if I had a wish, you'll be swimming with the fish. First they killed my bro, glad I had my foe. Yeah, I'ma pay you back. But look, I ain't Diddy, so you ain't gonna take that. Niggas I grew up with, like who knew? My favorite color's blue, not Taliban too, so I'm riding. With murder on my mind, ski mask on me, a body on my nine. Damn, I miss my dog, but glad you alive. The system got my nigga fried. I'm feeling dead inside. I shoot shit up, and I ain't no camera guy. My 38 got wings, it can help you fly, and you ain't seeing me. That's why I'm Jedi. I'm one of a kind, and I'm out of my mind. P-Town's own, who spit it from the soul. Fuck my old hoes. I got a million O's. I got snitched on, but guess who froze? Not me. I'm fat again. That nigga can't eat. Niggas run their fucking mouth, but I run these streets. Smack the shit out of these niggas with a flow. Fuck out of here. I ain't stop niggas. Niggas talking I quit and retire. Get the fuck out of here, man. Man, we invented this shit, man. Shouts out to the real niggas doing it. Not you bullshitting ass, fake down south rapping ass niggas, man. Keep this shit hood, man. That's what Portsmouth about, man. Not that bullshit. So let me smack the shit out you motherfuckers again, you pussy ass motherfuckers.
You about to slap me,